There are several ways to make money online. Here are some popular methods. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services like writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, or social media management. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach or tutor others online. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy allow you to create and sell online courses. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. You can join affiliate programs of various companies, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. E-commerce. Create an online store and sell products directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easy to set up and manage an online store. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or donations. You can monetize your content using platforms like Google AdSense, Patreon, or sponsorships from brands. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without holding inventory. You fulfill orders by purchasing products from a third-party supplier who ships them directly to the customer.